This is the only scripting technique that I know works 100%. This is what I use, and most of the people don't follow this technique. It is so simple, so easy to do. Let me teach you how to do it. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna, and in today's video I'm going to teach you a scripting technique that so many people are actually not doing. It is so easy, so simple, and I have told some of my clients to do it and they have seen overnight results with this technique. It is very easy to do it. All you need is a book and a pen. You don't need anything else. You don't have to buy some of those fancy journals or diaries or anything like that. And this is personally my favorite method. This is what I have used in order to manifest some of my craziest dreams. You guys know that when I was back in my MBA, even before I knew about the law of assumption or manifestation, I used to do like robotic affirming in the scripting style, and it helped me manifest so many things. Whether it was manifesting my dream job, getting one of the best summer internship placements, or whether it was related to like my committee work or the club work that I was doing, I use this specific method for every situation, be it how impossible it felt, how hard it felt. This is the scripting method that worked for me. All these people who are telling you that there's a 555 scripting method or there's a 369 scripting method, you don't need all of them. This is also the same book where I wrote I want to be a YouTube partner, and I actually became one. I also wrote that I have passive sources of income, like multiple streams of income. That has happened as well. I also wrote down that I wanted to do personal coaching, like manifestation 1:1 coaching, and this happened so organically. Like one day I just wrote that, I am a manifestation coach. That is why I make, so much content related to manifestation on my YouTube channel. And funny story is, one of my subscribers reached out to me 1 week later when I wrote it down, saying, do you do, 1:1 coaching? What are your charges? I really want to, talk to you. And it happened so organically. Like I didn't ask anyone, I didn't talk about it, I didn't even tell anyone in my videos. And when I saw 2-3 people gravitate to me and ask me like, do you do coaching? That is when I realized, okay, I have to talk more about it in my channel. So I started putting in the description that, I do 1:1 monthly coaching, and till now I have signed up a total of 258 clients, and I'm so grateful for that. Pretty much everything that I wrote down in this notebook has come true. I would say at least 95% of it, because there is still 5% that I want to manifest that hasn't come yet, but I know it's going to happen eventually. So anyway, let me teach you how to do one of the best scripting techniques ever. Let's get started. So step 1 is get clear and specific on what your desire is. It can be any goal. Honestly, it doesn't matter. As specific and clear you are with your desired statement, the better it is. So just think of whatever your desire is. If you have multiple desires, it is totally fine. You can make, different sentences for each desire you have. But anything that I would say are like your top 3 goals or your top 3 priorities, I want you to intentionally focus on them first, and then later you can do like other multiple desires, random desires that you have. You can focus on them later, but I just want you to pick like the top 3 desires that you have. It could be probably related to your career, something related to money, something related to relationship, anything like that. Get very clear, get very specific on what the outcome is and what exactly you want. Step 2 is now you're going to create a desired statement based on whatever your desire is. So your specific statement could be something like, I am now married to my soulmate and I'm so happy. Anything like that. You can make it as short and simple as possible. It can literally be, I make money in my sleep. Like as simple as that. Or it can also be something like, I have multiple job offers. I remember when I was trying to manifest being a YouTube partner and I wasn't earning on YouTube, nothing. Like I just set up my AdSense account and it was just like always zero. Like I never like made any money in any of my videos. But I remember writing down this statement saying, I am a YouTube partner. Like, do you see how simple that statement is? It's just 4 words. I am a YouTube partner. I am a YouTube partner. That is all I wrote. I did not like make it too complicated, make it too complex, make it too lengthy. You want to keep it as simple, as short as possible, because all you're doing is you are rewiring your brain through the process of repetition and scripting. So you're basically writing the statement on a repeated basis. So that is why you want to choose something that's simple and short. Okay, so for the next step, you obviously need a book and a pen. So whatever that statement is related to your desire, all you're going to do is you are going to write that one particular statement repeated number of times in your notebook. So let's say your statement is, I am a YouTube partner, just to give you an example. So you are going to write down, I am a YouTube partner multiple times in your notebook. I would say one single page, maybe that would be like 20 times or 30 times. It honestly does not matter the number of times you write. All these methods telling you write it 3 times, write it 6 times in the afternoon, write it 9 times in the night. You don't have to do all those techniques. Just simply sit, for like maybe 10 minutes anytime during the day, or even in the night. If you're free in the night, then probably you can do this technique in the night. Write it a minimum of 10 to 15 times, because this is your way of brainwashing your mind, because your mind gets rewired through repetition. That is why you're doing this process. So this process helps you intentionally focus on your desire and act as if it has already happened. It allows you to be in that state of wish fulfill. I recently wrote this affirmation, which is opportunities constantly find me. I wrote this personally because I really wanted to, receive opportunities like naturally and freely to me. Like, I did not want to go chasing for opportunities or find opportunities. I just wanted opportunities to find me. So that's the reason I wrote this affirmation personally. So that is all you have to do. Like, just write it in a repeated mode, like how I wrote it, like 20 times or 15 times, almost like you created this new story in your mind. So there's like a new belief system that is formed in your mind, which allows you to manifest anything you want at lightning speed. And the best part about scripting is you're intentionally focusing on something by using all your senses. In a way, the action of like writing down, like using your hand on a piece of paper, kind of gives that physical touch to it. So that is one reason why you focus much better. The second reason is obviously visually. You're seeing your statement, you're writing it down so many times, so you're visually seeing that desire as if it has already happened or it is your current reality. So again, that convinces your mind so well. Third is obviously when you're writing it down, you're either repeating in your mind or you are saying it out loud. You can either do both, it doesn't matter. You can either repeat it in your mind continuously when you're writing it down, or you can just repeat it out loud when you're writing it down as well. When I wrote down opportunities constantly find me, I was almost like imagining like opportunities come to me, like imagining visually that I'm getting a lot of brand collabs or like brand opportunities in my inbox, or I am suddenly getting invites to some of the best parties or events. And this activity honestly takes just 10 minutes. I think I wrote this in like 7 or 8 minutes. You don't have to repeat the same desire every single day. You can always mix and match. That is what I do. I pick an affirmation from my ebook, Just Affirm Bestie, anything related to the desire I have. Like if I want something related to career, or if I want something related to my body, like I want to have my dream body, anything like that, I will just pick one affirmation from my book and I will just script that on a continuous basis. If you don't want affirmations, you can also just make up your own statement related to your specific desire. And this is so simple, so easy, takes less than 10 minutes. So you can do it every single day as soon as you wake up, or when you're going to sleep. You can just write it down, notice it or read it out loud once, and that's it. You close the book, you detach from it. You don't think about how it's going to come, when it's going to come, or you don't sit and wait for your results. You don't sit and check your inbox if you got that job offer or not. You're not going to do any of those obsessive actions. All you're going to do is take the aligned action that you possibly can. It's almost like you're making it work backwards. As soon as you write it down, you wrote something like, I have multiple job offers. So how can you have multiple job offers? All you have to do is start applying and interviewing in multiple companies, and you are putting in that effort assuming that it's already your reality. Like, let me give you a simple example. If you already knew you had that full-time job in Google, if you already knew you got that promotion, whatever it is, how would your energy be? How confident would you show up for everything that you're showing up now? Even if you're still interviewing with Google, you haven't really gotten the job yet, but if you just assume that you already have the job, how much more confident would you appear in your interviews? How much more effort you would put when you're preparing for the interview, because you got it. So if you got it, it means you're one of the best, and you probably prepared the most in order to get it. You are writing down your desired statement as a confirmation. You are writing it down to confirm to the universe that you are aligned with the highest version of yourself, and it is already your reality. You're going to act, talk, think, feel, and believe like it has already happened, and that is how you start acting in your 3D. So yeah, I hope you practice a scripting exercise. This is what I do on a regular basis, and trust me, I have manifested so many things. I have also posted some of my success stories with robotic affirming. I recommend you to affirm in your mind every single time you're getting negative thoughts or you're feeling anxious. If that is what comes naturally and more easily to you, then definitely do that. I personally love either listening to my affirmation tapes or just writing a statement down repeatedly. Like I mentioned, the scripting technique that I use. But whatever it is you take, make sure that you're consistent with it, you're disciplined, and you're persistent with whatever you're doing. So yeah, that was it for today's video, you guys. This is my scripting technique. This has helped me quantum leap to my dream reality. And of course, my course Manifest Instantly has also helped so many of my clients quantum jump to their dream reality, where you get all of my affirmation tapes, my ebooks, my meditation tapes, everything, and it is in its lowest price. So make sure to check it out now, because because the price is definitely going to increase after a week or two. I will put the Topmate link down in the description box, so you can definitely check it out. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. I would love to answer it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.